To update a client as Do Not Contact, you can go into the Clients database, search for your client, open up their record and go to the View Contacts option. Now each contact will have their own Do Not Contact settings. Hit the Edit Contact option, and in the Contact Setting options you'll have the toggles to turn on if you do not want to contact your client on a certain medium of advertising. The Do Not Contact option will tick all of these for you. Once you have saved that contact, you will see the icon appear that is Do Not Contact against that particular client. When you edit the contact again, if you only want them to be not SMS'd, email or mailed, you will see those particular icons next to your contact. To mark your person quickly as Do Not Contact, you can use the drop-down option and you will see the icon appear next to their name. Now that your client is marked as Do Not Contact, they will no longer receive any SMSs, bulk letters or bulk emails that your company tries to send.